Why do students fail? Why do people drop out of college? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video.
Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how.
All right, so why do students fail? Why do people drop out of college? What are the main reasons? I want to jump over to my computer screen and show you some results from a survey, okay? This survey was done by the Gates Foundation, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. They asked students, they did a survey of basically a massive group of students who have dropped out of college. And what factors motivated their decision to drop out, okay? And they gave a big list of a whole bunch of factors, okay? Now, as you can see here are the results. 71% of students who dropped out said that the number one factor was that they needed to go back to work, okay? So money, okay? But also time. They didn't have time for work and school, okay? So time and money, okay? The second thing is that they couldn't afford tuition, or they didn't have the money to pay for their bills. Money was the problem, okay? So far we have time and money, okay? The third thing was that they were bored or didn't see the value of college. And when I see this, I understand this, because what a lot of students do is they go to college and then they think, why am I not working? Why am I not making money? Why am I not starting my career, right? They want to get started with their career. They want to start making money. And to say, I'll start my career in 5 years, that's really, really hard. So that's a big factor for a lot of people. Okay. The next factor was family obligations. A lot of times this is getting married or starting to have kids or stuff like that. Okay. So now you have a family and family responsibilities. So you don't have time for that and school and work, right? So it comes back to a time thing, okay? And then the very, very last thing on the list was that it was too difficult. Only a third of students said that college was hard, okay? Most students go to college, and if they drop out, it's because of time or money, okay? Those are the two things. Now, unfortunately, colleges and universities, they lie to us, okay? If we don't have 5 years to give, they say, tough luck, wish you had the time. Like, you don't get a college degree. You don't have 5 years, you don't get a degree. We've been taught our entire lives that college takes 4 years for a bachelor's degree, 2 more years for a master's degree. Well, that is not true. It's simply not true. Yes, if you follow the college's laid out plan, their laid out structure for us, that's how long it takes us. But what colleges don't tell us is that we don't have to do that to earn a college degree, right? If you've been following my channel at all, I talk all the time about how you can get a college degree without sitting in a classroom, without doing homework, without taking quizzes and all that stuff, right? You can literally find out what's going to be on the final test for each class, study for the test, take the test, and move on, okay? If it takes you 2 days to study for a test and take the test and pass the test, you're literally done with an entire semester class in 2 days, right? If it takes you a week, you're done in a week, okay? It doesn't matter how long each class takes you. Most people that I help with this process shoot for one class every single week. So basically an entire semester class in 1 week. That means every month, people that I help try to earn basically a semester's worth of college credits every single month. This is possible. So my biggest thought with this video is people drop out. The biggest reasons are because of time and money. That's the number 1 and 2 factors, okay? Time and money. If you don't have time or money, don't listen to colleges and universities that tell you tough luck, can't get a college degree, because that's not true. Okay. There are a couple of different approaches you can take to testing out of your classes. One is called degree by examination. In my opinion, that's the harder way to do this. And number 2 is what I call degree hacking. Okay. If you'd like to learn more about degree hacking and basically skipping all the fluff in every class, jumping straight to the test, but knowing actually what you're going to be tested on, so it's easy, right? If you'd like to learn that process, I'll leave a link down below in the description, okay? I've got a free video training that walks you through the 3-step process of degree hacking. You can go watch it for free, okay? Look at the link down below and go and watch the training. But yeah, if you're wondering why students drop out of college, it's almost always because of time or money, okay? Very rarely is it because college is too hard. College is not harder than high school. It's really not. It's just more information, and in fact, it's a lot of the same information. So if time or money are an issue for you, if that stresses you out and makes you feel like you can't get a degree, stop thinking that. You absolutely can. I was a terrible student in high school, and I was able to do it. If I can do it, I believe that anyone can. I'll leave the link, like I said, below in the description. I hope you have a wonderful day. And if you have any questions, just leave comments and I'll do my best to answer those questions. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.